It doesn't. They've broken it. Oh, that's so mean. Things change. All right, so then you gotta have a click. Oh, that's so annoying. Hey, TPT sellers, it's Mike Fuchigami. I am the host of the SEOTpreneur channel. This is my new store I'm working on, and I'm gonna talk about strategies to get traffic to your new store. Today's focus is on publishing really good freebies rather than I put up a freebie because I have to, because you're required to put up a freebie on your first resource. I like to work on this store for 30 minutes, set the timer, put it to the side here. A year and a half ago, I forgot that I made a Canva cover and said that, hey, if we get to 500 subscribers, I'll share the link for it for free. So thank you, Irma. I'm gonna publish a free resource with this link to the Canva file. Here's the Canva file. I've modified it slightly to have more tips because I want you to get bonus information that wasn't included in the YouTube information. I have to have a way to get your traffic. For me, I want you to search Mike Fuchigami on TPT because I'm building my brand. But for you, you probably want to link directly to your store. Don't make them do extra stuff. But I'm being strategic here because if they go to Teachers Pay Teachers, and if they type Mike Fuchigami, then eventually as I become bigger, then this will become a keyword in TPT search. And I think that would be funny if I could become a keyword on TPT search. Now, when I made this video, I color matched it to TPT's store colors, but I want to make sure that they haven't changed it recently. So I just go Control-Shift-I to pull up the inspector. I just find a color in the styles here. It doesn't matter what color I find. Then when I find this color, I just click on the eyedropper tool and I hover over to the gray shading of this TPT quote section. And that's my color code, F1, F1, F1. Let's just confirm that it's still the same code. This is, what are you? F1, F1, F1. So yeah, that's perfect. That works for me. Now I need to create a resource. I like to create my resources in Google Docs. I've seen other people do it in PowerPoint. Use the tool that you are most comfortable with. I'm just going to create a new doc. I am going to start to think about how to style it, but I'm not really sure. I don't have a brand yet. Michael Fuchigami. No, I go by Mike Fuchigami on TPT. So let's just go Control-Alt-1 to make that a header. I'm going to call it How to Change the Quote on Your TPT Store. I don't love that, but good enough. Control-Alt-2 for heading 2. Let's put a direct link. Here's my store profile. There it is, there's a quote. So I'll link to the store profile page, go to the back end TPT store profile page. What's number 2? Step 2 is scroll to the bottom. Ooh, is there a direct edit link? What is that? Copy link address. Is that the same link? Oh no, that's a direct link. Oh yeah, let's do that. Okay, the easier you make it, the happier teachers are. Let's go like that. So if I click on that, this will be a PDF, so that'll go there. Nice! Okay, so then they'll get confused. I'll make this easier with a picture. I'm gonna use Snagit Editor because that's what I use, but you can do this in Canva, so I'll just do it in here. Control-Shift-N to paste it in here. All right, so I'm gonna put a shape here. What I like about Snagit is I can put these little boxes here. So that's step 1. Step 2, to choose the file, and then here's the link, step 3. All right, so let's color code these as well. Red, yellow, and then green, like stoplights. And let's just make this all the same font, 96 as well, just to be consistent. Now, does this matter? No, it really didn't. I probably wasn't a good use of my time, but oh well. 80% perfect, good enough. Let's download this. I'm gonna go to my Google Doc. I'm gonna just put the image at the bottom here. Nice. Click here to edit your store profile. So step 1, all right, because then it's sort of matching what we have here. Change the personal quote to image/link, optional. Add some text that will appear when you hover over the link. Follow me to find out about new products and freebies. Let's make this a little bit bigger. There we go. Step 2 is upload your file. Click choose file and upload your JPEG or GIF. TPT store quote. How much time is left? I haven't been watching. 20 minutes left. Okay. Let's do this. What's step 3? Paste a URL. So when people click your TPT store quote, they go to the page. Where is the add a follower? They added that somewhere, right? So it's easier to find add a follower. TPT add a follower. Oh, where are you? I think it's maybe under marketing. Let's find this. Dashboard, marketing, promote, features. I already have my ticket. I'm excited. Are you going to San Diego? I'm going to San Diego. All right, I already have my ticket though. You don't need to show that to me. Before TPT told us how to do it, basically you can go to your store and just copy this link. Oh, that's the unfollow link. I don't want to do that. Unfollow this user, copy this link. Okay, so how will I do that? Paste a link, for example, add a follower. Is this case sensitive? Will that work? No, it didn't work because it didn't say follow me. Replace your store name. So let's just highlight this. I think that's the easiest way I can do it right now. Oh, I don't want them to follow my store there. So what's my store? My store is Mike Fuchigami. Let's see if I can find that. 17 minutes left. Here's my store. There it is, Mike Fuchigami. So let's just highlight this in yellow. Let's just make this black. And then if I click on that, add Mike Fuchigami. Oh, it didn't follow me. Wait, what? Follow me? It should say you are now following this seller. So right click, copy link. Sellers I'm following, add Mike Fuchigami. Yeah. Is that broken? Whoa, what's going on? This used to be a follow me link. And if you click on it, you are now following this seller. If you are unfollowing, oh, did they change it to JavaScript? Is this not working anymore? Well, now let's go to my Edge Circle store. Let's just see this. I'm not followed. If I click here, does it follow me? It doesn't. They've broken it. Oh, that's so mean. Things change. All right, so then you got to have a click. Oh, that's so annoying. Oh, okay, good to discover. All righty, what will I put in there? Oh, you can't create a follow. That's mean. It's not mean, but I mean, because they added JavaScript. So it used to be that if you clicked on this link, you would get that add a follower, but it doesn't work anymore. So what will I put in here to your best seller or most expensive product to price anchor? Oh, that's annoying. Or your freebie. Yeah, or your best freebie. Send them to your best seller. I don't know. You'll have to figure out your strategy. Your most expensive product. Right? So proven viable product, your best seller, send them to your most expensive product, your best freebie, using the sales reciprocal strategy. Oh, that's so disappointing. Okay, that's a bummer. Yeah, that's it, right? So 1, 2, 3. Okay, part 1 is create your store using this free Canva template. 11 minutes left. All right, share template link. No, so anyone with the link can edit, copy the link. That's a collaboration link. Oh, but then they can edit this actual source file. Yeah, I don't want to do that. This is a template link, but you won't know who has made copies of this. Okay, so I'm going to copy this template link. If I open it myself, there's a bunch of UTMs that I don't need in here. Hey, there's my template link. And then where's my option to edit this? Edit document. Yeah. And then it says template. Okay, perfect. Oh, maybe I should change the name of this template file. All right. I'll put it to my store brand. The problem is I don't want to link directly to a Canva file because if I change it in the future, I can't edit the documents that people have downloaded, right? Because the Canva file will be there. So the way we do that is with a redirection. Let's do a redirection here. Let's go into Cloudflare. So I've been thinking about it and I think I'm going to make all of my redirection links use fuchigami.ca. I'm going to click on fuchigami.ca. Cloudflare is free, by the way. Here we go. Rules and then redirect rules. And then I can create bulk redirects. This is what I want. So create a bulk redirect list. I'm going to call this Mike Fuchigami TPT new store. Okay, so that's the name of my list. Let's see what happens here. Only lowercase and uppercase. All right, new underscore TPT underscore store. Let's try that. There we go. Next. Now I can upload a CSV file or manually add URL redirects. So the source URL redirect. So I want people to type fuchigami.ca / Canva. Free TPT quote Canva. That's so long. Here, let's put Canva / TPT quote. You can come up with your own, right? That's my source URL. When they type that, I want them to go to the Canva file. Here's my Canva file. So here's the redirect I want to send them to. So I'm going to copy that. And in Cloudflare, that's my target URL. I'm going to paste that in there and then I'm going to hit next. Let's just review this. So when they type fuchigami.ca Canva TPT quote, they go here and the status is always 301. It's a permanent redirect. All right, so hit next. For each incoming request, it evaluates all URL redirects. If there's a match, it's performed immediately. Awesome, love it. So give your rule a descriptive name. So I'm going to call this TPT new store redirects. Oh, it based it on new TPT store. Yeah, save and deploy. Okay, so now I have this TPT new store redirect list. If I copy this link, when I paste it up here, it'll become a link. So if I copy this again, and then down here, if I paste it, oh, it didn't. That's so disappointing. All right, well then let's just hit enter. Let's see what happens. Well, that was disappointing. It's because I have fuchigami.ca, a rule that's more important than this one. Let's look at my rules. I have a rule here that will redirect all incoming traffic to michaelfuchigami.ca. Oh, this is tricky. I want to put the bulk redirect rule first. Sometimes things don't work as easily as you'd like them to be. I don't know. I'm going to have to play with that. That's frustrating. I guess good enough is just put in the quote. This is good enough, Mike. You couldn't get it to work today. That's fine. This will go to the edit the thing. So it is good enough right now, Mike. Create your store quote using this free Canva template. If you have one image with no animation, save the Canva file as a JPEG. If you have an animated quote, save the file as a GIF. Could I publish this today? It'll look horrible. Could I publish this today? I want to make sure this is all on one spot here. Does it fit on one page? No, why not? Why won't you fit on one page? Let's shrink this a little bit. I might have to give up on this one. It's not going to happen today. 59 seconds left. Remove space before paragraph. I want to make this a little bit bigger. I do like publishing sooner than later, but I have to get it to 80% perfect. And I'm not sure that this is at 80% perfect yet, because if I uploaded it, I wouldn't have a cover and a quote, and that would look horrible. But let's do it anyways. Okay, so download PDF. Now I'm just going to download it here. Oh, 31 seconds here. Oh, I'd have to log out of my store and then log back in. Should I do it anyways? Oh, come on, Mike. Teachers pay teachers. Sign in as my teacher store. Go to product listings. Go to add new product. Select the file. So that's my timer. Digital download. I'm on overtime right now. What was the name of the file? How to change the quote on your TPT store. The file, I'm going to click and drag from up here. There we go. I don't have a preview because it's going to be a free resources. Yeah, I'll let you auto-generate. Free resource, not grade specific. This is going to be TPT sellers. Oh, that's horrible. I'm embarrassed because it's going to have no cover. Let's just put everything in here. Overtime, download this free resource to get the link. This is so bad, but it's going to be good enough right now. Create your store quote. Part 1, how to change the quote on your TPT store. And I'm going to put a space after that because otherwise it just compresses in the product description. Create your store quote using this free Canva template. Download the free resource. Part 2, click here to edit your TPT store profile link. And then let's just break that link. What did I say here? I'll just copy this. Download this resource to get the link. All right. Add some text. Oh, this is horrible. These are bullets. 1, 2, 3. The product description doesn't allow nested things. I do have to publish it today because I want to send that link. And then at the bottom, I always put for more information, or if you have questions, email Mike at SEOTmindset.com. Let's bold that. Control C to copy that. Control K to turn it into a link. Up here, the window pops up. I paste in my link. Oh, yeah. Look at that. It puts in mail to now. It didn't used to. That's so cool. And I'm going to make listing active with no cover. I feel like such a new TPT seller. All right. I have 8 followers. Thank you, 8 people. 7 people because I'm following me. Oh, and 6 because my TPT store is following me. So yeah, that's it. That's horrible. That's it. I moved the needle because I got a product done. I got to go run to the Zoom Saturday Club. All right. See you later. Bye.